Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update software for an EV inverter system paired with home charging, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary equipment and materials for the update. Ensure that your EV inverter is connected to a stable power supply. Check that the home charging station is also powered on and functional. Locate the software update file on the manufacturer's website. You may need to create an account or log in to access the downloads. Make sure the update version is compatible with your inverter system. Download the software update file to your computer. Once the download is complete, connect a USB flash drive to your computer. Format the USB flash drive to ensure it is empty and compatible. Copy the downloaded software update file to the USB flash drive. Safely eject the USB flash drive from your computer. Now, insert the USB flash drive into the designated port on the EV inverter. Consult the user manual to locate the USB port if necessary. Power on the inverter if it is not already powered on. Navigate to the settings menu using the inverter's display screen. Look for the option labeled Software Update or Firmware Update. Select the option to initiate the update process. The inverter should detect the software file on the USB flash drive. Follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation of the update. Do not turn off the inverter or remove the USB flash drive during the update. Wait for the update process to complete, which may take several minutes. Once the update is finished, the inverter will typically reboot automatically. Check the display screen to confirm that the software version has been updated. If prompted, remove the USB flash drive from the inverter. Finally, test the inverter and home charging system to ensure everything is functioning properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.